Hi everyone.
Action.
Action! It's me, Denny, and I'm here with
Igal and
Diana.
Igal, who has my brother's name, so it's really kind of cool to be doing my brother again. They went through the museum, and now they're going to open up one of these acquisitions, and I'm going to mix these up. So here I go, mixing them up. Are you guys confused?
Yay.
Yes, good, because otherwise I'd have to do that forever. Okay, so pick a box to open. Which one? You want the small one? Okay, and which one do you want?
this one, which
The
is new.
biggest
new
one. Excellent.
By me. Thank you.
Okay, so there's your scissor, and there's your scissor. Oh, I'm going to do the cutting for you. So, and I'm usually very good at cutting. This is such a strange one. Be happy you're letting me do this. It's really weird.
Okay. So the scissors.
I'll break it open for you.
So I have a friend who lives in Manhattan and she collects antiques and her house is full of antiques. It doesn't look like yours, so I send her a picture of the iron set. Oh, just like my house. Then I send a picture of your house. She says, oh my God.
We can move in together. I can move there, she can move here.
This looks like a box.
Oh my God, you're going to love what that is. That is such an important piece. So you got, this is a record player. And I actually know the inventor. So be happy that we finally opened up, Bonnie Shimkin, your husband's invention. This guy had worked for a record company and he invented these record players for Fisher-Price. And let's see if I can quickly figure out how to open it. Oh, it opens easily. So this is, whoa.
Yes, I'm good.
So there it is. I finally got my own Fisher-Price record player.
It's for children, I
Yep,
imagine.
this is the children's record player.
Fisher-Price toys all the time.
Did you? Well, there you go. Now
Educational.
It's very
I want to
beautifully
take a
made.
picture of
Isn't
that.
that wonderful?
I
Yeah,
think
it's
it's
a very-
interesting
it's
based
colored
on
and-
what you tell me, Dan. Look up. Okay.
So why is it ironic with you? Are you like a music thing? Or?
I love music, but I mean, I appreciate the design, the
Right,
product
it's such
design,
a
yeah.
fantastic. This is going to be the star of the show because I'm going to bring this to all of
But
them
do
and
you
play
have...
those 45s on this machine.
they can play.
Yeah, I can play this on my Fisher-Price machine now. And I know the inventor. The inventor's wife is a friend. He's passed, but his wife is still around. She's doing the next show. Our suffragette speakeasy.
Really?
So she'll be there, and I got this just because of her. She's
that's
performing. She's going to do a play she did. How did you get?
Where did you get it?
I don't know. Good things come in small packages.
Absolutely.
Yep. I'm going to put that away.
Oh, what is
An
this?
Edison cylinder. So that is one of the records, and let me see which one you
Oh, yeah.
opened. Aw. This one is, but you're not. This one is
Does it say
part of our love song. We're going to do a love story. So this is a boy meets girl story that we're going to tell with Edison wax cylinders. So the beginning, the girl is alone, and she says, "Can't you see I'm lonely?" That's the name of this song. And then she meets a guy, and she falls in love. And then we have Underneath the Silvery Moon, which I'm going to play for that. And then we have all these songs that I bought on wax cylinder, and we're going to do this whole wax cylinder love story.
I can't
and
believe
tell
that
it.
people
So
still...
you opened one of.
You can still buy these things.
Oh, they made thousands and thousands of them. Edison was an entrepreneur. So this is let's show it to the world. So that is an original wax cylinder. And
Where?
Edison had a house down
I
south
don't
of Sarasota.
so this one is actually a wax one. Yeah, they made them out of celluloid or wax, but that's an actual wax one. So it's probably 2 minutes long for this song. That is beautiful. And this is the nicest of the boxes.
And
These are the more,
girl meets
clearly.
boy, just
Right.
for me.
I know, it's perfect for you.
One of the greatest inventions, at least for me, that I use almost every day because I have problem with my vision, is a gift I got from my wife. It's a cylinder about that big and about that tall, and the top has a magnifying glass. And inside the cylinder are 3 LED lights. And when I put it over the newspaper, the LED lights
Oh,
light up.
big.
And you also can focus it. You can.
You
And
can
I
make it
put
bigger.
It reminds me of a
back
zoetrope in a
because
weird
of
way.
you.
But
I
my
ordered
eye
one.
doctor was so
Yeah.
impressed, she asked me to bring it and showed it to some of her patients. That's how impressed she was with that.
And
Yeah,
it was
I
on
love
back
those.
order, but I just
We're gonna say bye
started
to
notice that
Bye-bye.
Bye, world.
Thank
We had the
you.
most wonderful visit here.
Aw.
Really amazing.
one's